Hi, my name is Miss Mela from the Washoe County Library System. This year's Summer Reading Challenge theme is Tales and Tales, the perfect theme to get you learning about and reading about our planet's miraculous creatures. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pollinator puddler. Washoe County Libraries have put together these great bags for summer reading, in which you'll find most of the supplies that you need for your pollinator puddler. You can go to any open Washoe County library to pick up your free bag, and there are a lot of great goodies inside. This bag is for 6 to 11-year-olds. It will contain a free book for signing up, a reading log, a bingo sheet, and some activity sheets, as well as supplies for your pollinator puddler and some origami sheets for a different craft. But as supplies are unlimited, and if you aren't able to get a bag in time, don't worry. The supplies needed for a pollinator puddler you can pretty easily find at home. Before I show you how to make a pollinator puddler, you may be wondering why to make one at all. Well, pollinators like bees and butterflies serve a very important role in our ecosystem. They pollinate crops, trees, bushes, and flowers. Without pollinators, the world's animals and ecosystems would not survive, including us. By making a pollinator puddler, you are creating a clean source of water where they can get a much needed drink. You will need a pie dish, items to weigh down your dish and give the pollinators a place to land. You can use rocks or pebbles, marbles, or even decorative glass. You will also need a sponge that pollinators can land on and drink from. This is the one that comes in the bag and it is very thin. So these are the directions. Find a place in your yard or on a table outside where you can put your dish and it won't be disturbed or blown away. Place your dish down and then begin to fill it about halfway up with the filler of your choice. I'm using some fun rocks that my family has collected, and I'm just going to put them in my dish. Next, I'm going to add some clean water. I'm going to fill it to almost cover the rocks. And then lastly, I'm going to put my sponge inside so that the pollinators can also land on and drink from the sponge. And it is fun to watch it expand. Now you should empty and clean the materials in your dish about once a week to continue to provide a clean source of water for your pollinators. Now, if you want to try something different and fun, you can try a different ratio of sugar and water to attract more pollinators. You will just need 1 part sugar to 9 parts water, and then you will fill your dish with that. You can also try to cut up some fresh fruit like oranges and pineapple to put it in your dish to attract pollinators and watch them drink from that. To request books and learn more about pollinators and creating backyard habitat, visit us online at washoecountylibrary.us or come into one of our open branches. And make sure to sign up for summer reading. We'll have great free virtual events all summer long. Thanks for watching and happy summer reading.